Levi, you can do it. Come to mommy.
He's a cold baby. While they're all outside freezing in the snow, you and me are in the warm, warm car. Can you go, Go, Can you do that? Then you go, You try it. Yeah, go. Rah, 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 rah. Go. What do you think? You go. Why?
Don't. We need to talk. I want a new Barbie and a glow-in-the-dark blanket.
Wait.
Oh wait, that's your dad. That's your dad. I think he's
Part of it. Part of it.
My mom.
And all your Christmas dreams will come true.
How is it, Levi? You want another bite?
You want another bite?
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Is that as good as your lemon popsicle? You want more? Did you like it? Yeah? Is that too much?
That's what I was expecting, yeah.
Okay.
It's going back for more.
Oh, God.
Whoa. Whew. Another push. Wash my hands of you so many times and fucking dry.
you
And now
got
you're in the
time on your
footage.
hands. Update some new videos.
I don't have any extra time. What are you talking about?
Right now, you're not doing anything.
Yes, I am.
You're gonna take a nap, but your wife was like, nah.
Yeah, I can't take a nap now.
And I know, and it just does, and I know. And I know, and I know. Can't wake up. And I know.
Anxiety is what happens when energy has nowhere to go. Move your body, bitch.
Damn. And I know, it just doesn't feel like. I'm trying to sing for the camera, Kristen. And I know, it just doesn't feel like a night out with no one sizing you up. I've never been so surreptitious, and of course I'll be distracted when I spike up the punch. And I know, it just doesn't feel like a night out with no one sizing you up. I've never been so surreptitious, and of course I'll be distracted when I spike up the punch. Oh.
Our children are going to love to watch that. Well, he was.
What's happening is right behind the right corner man over here. You have to buy a ticket before you can go get chocolate. He's like, I'll get that salad and just look around. You have to buy a ticket. Also, we have tickets tomorrow. Christmas tree is another event. That is going to be at Johnny's Steakhouse on Grand Hotel Road. That is Western Tacos Steakhouse. Rick from Jack's Cuisine is going to be open. The lower counter here. Your choice of chicken, your fish, your waffles, your rice, green beans, buffalo bread, honey, tomato sauce, and there's a Spanish on it. You can buy tickets. Also, in some place you buy your tickets. That is cash on it. I got to do anything that's tomorrow with Johnny's. You can actually buy so everyone out here tomorrow Christmas tree. Thank you for being here. I'm Todd Davis. I'm doing the Christmas tree. Also, I work for WBAG, which is a whole big station.
Should I record Miss Lily?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Do you want my phone? Oh, no? Okay.
Go to your mommy.
This second I'm gonna make more. Yeah, it makes way more sense
Cool.
if you watch the first one.
Go. Call to mommy. Go get her.
It's very, that's her mom. She has like therapy and she came in. Right, we were doing that. It was so early in the morning that she learned her way. I'm still. So this is Jamie and Piper.
Oh, don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No, keep going. No, go to mommy. Go to mommy. You can do it. You can do it, Levi. Oh. Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. I'm sorry. You okay? Yeah.
Come get me.
Go to mommy.
You do it. You're doing it. Come on.
You did it, baby.
Oh, you almost. Come on. Yes, keep going.
He's crawling.
Keep going. Maybe some more tag? Okay.
Oh.
Because of you.
Mom didn't do anything.
Levi.
Oh.
You left the toy right here. Oh, I would say something.
Hey Levi, what you doing? Oh yeah? What's down there? Is there anything down there, Levi? Levi. Levi. Hey, Levi. Levi, what's down there? You want to play with the other side? Okay, hold on.
This heart is from your daughter, Parker. I am so glad you're here. I am so glad you're my mother. And I hope you have a special Valentine's Day. Love, your family.
Oh, I love you. What do you think? If you want to take a nap, that's cool.
I don't think I listened in.
They're not right.
Well, when he makes his faces sometimes.
Hey, Parker. You're beautiful. I'm going to zoom into your eyes. Can you look at me? Oh, actually, yeah.
Ready?
Here's one coffee.
Okay.
They're hungry. We didn't do breakfast yet, so we home to wait here and let you guys probably be hungry. So,
Get lunch or something.
yes. I heard there's a good Mexican place.
It's a Korean Mexican.
Like fusion? That's cool.
Sounds good. I think it is really good.
Black. Matt, do you want some?
I drink too much coffee already today. I appreciate it. Thank you, though.
I think that's not right. Pushing. Oh, he's awake, Perky. Let me push her hair back.
Parker, you like all the cameras on you?
You got an important role now. Being a big sister and a big Levi. If somebody look at the nose.
I don't like it. I actually don't.
You like it. You don't like it because it's going to make you fall asleep.
I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Pat your butt.
Stop cutting my hair. You're making me go to sleep. I don't want to go to sleep. I'm going to sleep.
You might be your brother.
Okay. Stop cutting my hair. Hold me. Just hold me. Just hold me.
Hi, Parker.
Just hold me. Don't put your head on me either. Don't do that.